Hello everyone, and today we are going to look at the topics or very important topics of PHP, which is browser control and detention. So basically, browser control and detention are very important aspect of PHP as well as in web development also. So first of all, we will look at what is browser control. So browser control means ensuring that our web page or web application behave consistently and correctly across different web browsers like Chrome, Firefox, Safari and others. It is essential because each browser may interpret and display web pages slightly differently. So by controlling how our website work in each of these browser, we can provide a smooth and uniform experience for all our users. So let us look. So there are three methods of web browsing. So first of all, which is generating HTML and JavaScript. Second is Ajax, asynchronous JavaScript and XML. And third is browser control through Selenium. Okay. So what is importance of our this topic which is browser control. So first is efficiency. This increases the efficiency and reduces the manual efforts. The second is data access. It enables easy data access. Third is quality insurance, means it ensures the better quality of a web application. For this time saving, it is very much time saving. And for fifth is compatibility, and sixth is interpretation integration. There are some use cases of browser control also. First is web scraping, second is automated testing, third is data entry automation, fourth is web monitoring, and etc. So here are one example of how we can write a code for browser control in our HTML. So first of all, we have to write a simple structure or of HTML, and what if we under the PHP tag as you seeing header, afterward location, then we have to give the location of the page for which we have to redirect it. So first of all, we can understand their browser more is in more simple functions or more in simple words. So basically, suppose I have made a web page called Education and another web page called AdList. So what I want that whenever I click on any item on Education, this item automatically add in another web page called main list, or I have directly redirected to main to list that listing page. So basically what I meant to say that whenever I click and on item on Education list at the stand, then item automatically redirected me to that listing page. And for that we have to write this code or this header code. And where the www.google.com is written, we have to give the location of our web page where we have to redirect it. So I think you understand in the browser control easily. So now we we can look at our today's another topic, which is browser detention. So browser detention is also a process of determining and identifying the web browsers and version that a visitor is using to access our website. This is also very important in terms of our PHP. So there are also and it is valuable because it allows us to customize our website to suit the capabilities and quirks of browser, and also this help in delivering a more compatible, user-friendly, and bug-free experience for our visitors. So why to detect a browser? That why we need to detect a browser? This is the first thing we have to look. So there are several reasons for that. The first is compatibility. By detecting the user's browser, we can tailor our website code and design to ensure it work correctly and look good on that specific browser. The second is feature support. Like different web browsers support various web technologies and features to upgrade degrees. By detecting the user browser, we can deliver content and functionalities that is compatible with their browser capabilities. The third is bug fixes, in which browser detection help us identify and address issue or bugs specific to certain browsers, ensuring a smoother user experience. And the third and the fourth last is analytics. Browser detection can be used to collect data on which browser our web visitors are using. This information can guide us to make decisions about which browser to prioritize for testing and support. Okay, so this is all about why we need a browser detection. So there are also four methods to detecting browser in PHP. First is using the server HTTP user agent. Second is using third party libraries. Third is using JavaScript for feature detection, and fourth is using server side framework. Okay, so now look at the simple example of how we write how we write browser detention code in our HTML, browser control only. We can write the code for this under our page, under body, under our HTML page, under body or under PHP tag. So as you can see that after dollar sign server HTTP user agent is written. So in this way we can write our server, we can write or detect the browsers. Okay, so there are also some libraries to for browser detection. First, like mobile detect, browser PHP, browscape, browser detection, which browser parsen, us parsen PHP, and wurfl. Okay, so and there is also one term which is user agent header. So user agent detection is a technique used by web servers and web application to identify the type and version of a web browser and other client software. And this is similar like what is the meaning of our browser detention or browser detention and browser control. Okay, so basically in summary and to sum up we can say that browser control and detention in PHP and in web development are very essential for creating websites that are compatible, user friendly, and consistent across various web browsers, ultimately provide a better experience for our websites. Okay, thank you.